Dale, get the net. Get the net. It's huge. It's huge fish. It's big. It's really big. Oh my God. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we are going to fish the Cumberland River, and put in at the same place at Hartley Park. But this time, instead of going up by the dam, we're gonna go turn around and go the other direction and hopefully catch some fish. I have no idea, but hey, let's go try it. There you go, our first fish, Dale. Dale's got our first fish. What you got back here, Dale?
Nice fat.
It's our first fish.
Swim jig.
Orange eyes, swim jig. Swim jig bite. Ooh. Here we go, guys. There's my first fish. Spotted bass. Caught me off guard, dude. How come every time you get hung up, I catch a damn fish? Wow, that's crazy. Look at this. They got like their own personal little ramp thing. That looks pretty scary, Dale. You know it? Just have a boat hanging like that? Wow. Oh, good God, something hit it. It comes. What? That wasn't the guy who hit it. Unless he. Good Lord, he's fat as heck. Look how fat that little guy is. Football. Football. Get him, Dale, get him. Don't let him run off the boat. Don't let him do it. There we go. Our first smallmouth of the day. Looks to be very promising.
Yeah, pretty decent one to
See
start
what you
off
caught
with.
him on. What's that, about a 3/8 ounce?
Yep, 3/8 ounce swim jig.
White swim jig. There it is. Wow. Back at it again today. He barely bit it. I thought it was a bluegill. I really did. I was hesitant about even setting the hook. All right, guys. Spotted bass. Bandito bug. Ooh, he swallowed it. That's a pretty good sign there.
Look at the belly on him.
How's it going? I got that same kayak.
Oh, do you?
Yep.
Best $400 I ever spent.
It's a good kayak, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. The seat's a game changer.
Yeah, I know it. That's why I bought it, because I had a good seat. We've caught a few, but it's kind of slow.
I'm catching small stuff.
All right, Dale, let's go find some fish, dude. All right, well, we are not doing very good right here. Haven't had very many bites, very many fish caught. So let me see that coin. We're gonna flip. Either
heads up, tails down.
heads, we're gonna go back up. Tails, we're gonna go downtown. It looks like it's tails. Tails are going downtown. All right.
Why didn't you just say that?
All right, let's go downtown. Hey, let's fish some rocks. Dale, you want to fish the rocks or rocks? Rock sounds good. Okay. That's what we're going to do. We're going to fish rocks. We better put them on camera. We may not catch any more fish.
Oh, nice smallie on the swim jig.
Smiley on the swim jig. A little better one. Nice spotted bass.
Yeah.
About. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Go. Nice spotted bass. Well, he's been caught like 4 times. Smalley. Oh, buddy, you got it. All right, I got you. I got you.
Oh my God. Dude, that was a smallmouth like that. Oh my God.
Wow.
Holy dude, that smallmouth was huge. What?
You.
He's getting hit or kind of something in there.
Over. He'll probably eat my legs off if I throw this over here. Yeah. That's why. Hey, that's why you keep getting hits over there. It's one little smallmouth just going crazy. I'm eating everything. Everything. Got a bass off the General Jackson.
Little chunky fat belly again.
Another fat belly. We gotta get one. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Here we go, guys. Here we go. That's a good one. That's a good one. All right, stay on, baby. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Put it in there. Put it in the water. Put it in the water. There we go.
Yes.
Yes. Oh. There we go, guys. Nice smallmouth. Check it out. How are y'all?
Catch all the fish!
I'm trying. I'm trying.
Any bites?
Yeah, I had a pretty good one a little while ago right up here.
Good luck!
Thank you. net. Get the net. It's huge. It's huge fish. It's big. It's really big. Oh my God. This is huge. You see what it is? Come here.
Wow.
That thing's huge. Huge, guys, huge. It's a monster. It's a monster. Come on. Oh my God. Get him. Wow. Huge drum. A drum. Kind of close to a catfish. Yeah. It's huge.
What did you use to catch it?
Crankbait.
Oh, nice.
Here, I'll let you look at him.
Oh, wow.
He's slimy. Guys, check out this beast. Can y'all even get that? Wow, look at that. No, that's a fish. That's a fish right there. Right at the boat.
It bumped it 3 or 4 times and finally ate it right at the boat. I think that's a new now. No, that's smaller.
Alright guys, hey, we are calling it a day today. Had a pretty good day. It was kind of tough fishing today. For some reason, I'm not sure why, but at first, I mean, I didn't even know if we was gonna catch any fish today. Pretty crazy. But it's pretty awesome. Hey, we did catch another big drum. That was funny. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Please subscribe, guys. Thank you.